Mike here with Van Cafe in Rocky Mount Westy. We're introducing a new product we're excited about. We've done these aluminum window deletes for quite a while, and this rear window is a nice one to accessorize. So we made this flange. It's a plastic machined flange with a good sealant groove in it so it doesn't leak. And then you can take a Maxx Air Fan and you can actually put the fan onto the window. And it just sort of slides in there and then attaches with screws. And this will open and close and give you ventilation in your van. And it's a reversible fan, so you can pull air in, you can pull air out, and it just makes it really comfortable for the environment inside your van. Okay, so we installed the fan on the outside. This is what it looks like on the inside. We have a nice trim ring that comes with the fan to finish it off. You can open and close this. The fan itself is reversible with multi-speed. I think this fan is actually a 10-speed fan, so you can set it on low. There's an automatic thermostat, so it'll actually turn on and off depending on the temperature inside your van. These are really cool units, and this is a great way to use one inside your van and get some airflow across your bed and just ventilate the inside of your van. So this is what it looks like in the closed position. One reference point to get an idea of how far off the van it sticks, the factory mirror sticks 10 inches off the window itself. This sticks 6 inches off the window itself. So it's 4 inches inside of your mirror line. You can see right past it when you're sitting in your driver's seat, and yeah, it's non-obtrusive driving down the road. So check out this product, and we'll be releasing it here in our holiday sale.